Well, a simmering feud between a Superior Court judge and Rhode Island's Attorney General has boiled over.
It is this court's belief Attorney General Neronha's conduct implicates 5 rules of professional conduct.
The judge blasting AG Peter Neronha for a series of social media posts and calling for an investigation into the Attorney General's conduct. Target 12 investigator Tim White was in Superior Court this morning and is here now with the latest details. Tim?
The good news for Peter Neronha is Judge Daniel Procaccini canceled his order for the Attorney General to appear in court, but in doing so, the judge filed a complaint against the AG seeking a disciplinary investigation.
Hearing court's now in session.
In a remarkable hearing in Superior Court Friday morning, Judge Daniel Procaccini took Attorney General Peter Neronha to task over a series of social media posts the AG made last month.
The Attorney General's social media posts, press releases, and media interviews are false, deliberate, and reckless statements.
Neronha has been critical of so-called bench trials, where a single judge decides a criminal defendant's fate rather than a jury. Procaccini has presided over those types of trials, which Neronha has suggested tilt in favor of the defendant.
It is a blatant, false, and reckless conduct that this court believes is clearly prohibited by the Rhode Island rules of professional conduct.
Procaccini said he has filed a complaint with the Office of the Disciplinary Counsel, which investigates allegations of attorney misconduct. The judge accusing Neronha of trying to interfere in a legal proceeding through his social media posts.
This court will not justify or excuse these false and disparaging attacks.
Following the hearing, Neronha issued a lengthy statement defending his comments and arguing prosecutors should have a say if a defendant gets a bench trial. He also denied violating the Code of Professional Conduct, saying in part, "I categorically reject those accusations and have absolutely no doubt that any forum that may ultimately hear these accusations will reject them as well." This dust-up has apparently not tempered Neronha's social media presence. Shortly after the hearing, he posted on X that he would continue to fight for victims and added, quote, "Don't like my words, refute them, or go home." With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.